Welcome to SEVETS.nl. In this tutorial, we will turn this ordinary picture into a 3D design which you can print on your own 3D printer with the free online tool on SEVETS.nl. Navigate to SEVETS.nl. Open the 3D designer. Upload an image from your own computer. Go to the next step to select your shape. Choose your shape, move it around, resize it until you're happy with the selection you made. Several shapes are available. In this tutorial, we will use the hexagon. Click Next to go to the following step and create the pixel art. Here the magic happens. Several algorithms are provided here to generate an image based on your settings. In this example, we choose the by color type and manipulate the threshold. Click Refresh to apply the settings and see the result. In this example, we have a design with 2 layers. You can change the color of each layer. Click Refresh to apply the new settings. Try different algorithms to see which algorithm you like the most. Manipulate the matrix width and height to get more detail in your image. Click Refresh to apply. If you have a result that you don't like or really messed up, then you can click the Simulate button. Grayscale analytics are provided here. Click Simulation to see different algorithm examples. Click Generate Image to see the result. If you like one, choose Select and Apply. In this tutorial, we will use the by-color algorithm. We change the threshold and remove some of the layers. We also adjust the color of the layers. Click Refresh to apply all changes. We are satisfied with the result, so we move to the next step. Here we can make some manual changes to the generated image. By selecting a layer on the right, we can assign certain parts of the picture to a different layer. You can also change the size of the brush. Continue changing until you're happy with the result. Then move to the next step. Here we can see a 3D preview of our design. Change the height of each layer here and click again Refresh to apply the changes. With the mouse, the buttons and the scroll button, you can move, rotate and zoom in and out. For some of the shapes, additional 3D features are available. In this case, we add a base plate and a profile. Click Refresh to apply. This is the final step of the designing part. Click Next and give your design a name. Choose which files you want to export: STL, a PDF instruction, and in this example also a CSV file. The instruction gives an overview of your design and the steps you need to take to print. The STL files contain the design you actually want to print. In this example, we use Ultimaker Cura, but you can use any slicer you want. It is important to search for the transition between the layers, which is also indicated in the instruction file. This transition is the exact point where you want to pause your printer. When the printer is paused, you can change your filament to a different color. We modify the G-code here to pause at a certain layer, 6 in this example. Please note that this could be different for each printer. Don't forget to enter a standby temperature to keep your bed heated during filament change. Generate the G-code, save it to file, and send it to your printer. In this case, we also need to generate the G-code for our profile. Since we're printing in one color here, we don't need to pause. Again, generate the G-code, save it to file, and send it to your printer. Now we start printing. Here we see the printer just after the filament change. And of course, we also print the profile. Since this is a two-part design, we also have a small assembly step. And here we see the final result. If you print thin layers, you can also put a light behind the design or place it behind a window. If you like to fiddle around, you can use the CSV file to make all sorts of other designs, or use it as an input file for other applications. Thank you for watching, and please now go to SEVETS.nl to create your own personal design.